channel. It's EricaBp TV. So today's video, may bagong announcement si Kuya Big Brother. Kuya pa, Big Brother pa. So may announcement si Big Brother. So panoorin nyo to.
Kumusta mga kababayan? Namiss ko na kayo. Dahil one big happy family tayo, mayroon din akong big announcement. Get ready Philippines and get ready world. Dahil magbubukas na muli ang aking bahay para sa ika-9 nitong season, ang Pinoy Big Brother Connect.
Ayan na nga, may bagong audition. May audition na sa PBB, calling all the aspirants. Here's the process or basic steps kung paano mag-audition sa PBB. So since may pandemya ngayon, ano kaya ang gagawin para maka-audition sa PBB? So here's the basic steps. So before that, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo for my upcoming videos. So here are the basic steps. So first is you must install Kumu. Yeah, that's the Kumu over here. Yeah, you must install this app, and after that, create an account. So after creating an account, you must follow hashtag PBB Kumu Audition on Kumu. So here it is. Yan, ito yun. So after mo mag-install ng Kumu, create an account and follow the hashtag PBB Kumu Audition on Kumu, you must create your own videos. So inside your video, maximum of 1 minute only. So 1 minute only, so you have to introduce yourselves. And you know, gaya ng mga audition, introduce yourself at pakilala mo sarili mo at i-explain mo sa kanila at sabihin mo sa kanila kung worth it ka ba na sumali at makasama sa PBB. Kung makasama ka ba sa bahay ni Kuya, pasok ka ba? Ayan, makakapasok ka ba sa bahay ni Kuya? After creating an account, you must share your videos with the hashtag PBB Kumu Audition. Yan, so you must share. The more likes, the more shares, the better. Ayan, para makasali ka sa PBB Audition. So, sali kayo ako sa PBB Audition. Ay, huwag na lang. Marami tayong modules na gagawin. So note, 1 video per account lang yung pwede. So, 1 video per account. So, video mo, dapat isa lang yung video na ipopost mo. Bahala na kung sino mag-share, sino mag-likes. Basta yung video mo, isa lang dapat. Ayan. Ganon ka-easy, ganon kadali ang pag-audition ng PBB. So, less hassle ito dahil walang pila-pila. So, you must download and install the Kumu app, then create an account, then create a video, follow the PBB, and share the video with all your friends para naman maraming likes at views. So, yun na yun guys. That's it for our video. So, give me a big thumbs up, yan, at comment down below kung nakakatulong ba itong video ko sa inyo. At sana sa lahat na nag-audition sa PBB, sana naman ay makamit nyo ang inyong mga pangarap at masali kayo at makatira kayo sa bahay ni Kuya.